Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to the Airalo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and you will find there the profile option. Press on it, and up there you can see the login sign up option. Press on it, and at first it will appear to you the login option, but if you look at the right side you have the sign up option as well. If you press on it, all you have to do is provide your first name, then your last name, your email address, one moment please, your password, retype your password, and seems like we have to add a little bit of addition to the password in order to be accepted. And you can also write here a referral or voucher code if you like, if you have, for example, one. If not, all you have to do just agree and sign up. Wait a little, and now you have to enter a code that is being sent to your email address. And once you write that code in and press continue down below, your account will be created successfully. So this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.